Hi, welcome to this video. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great today. There is a pretty cool reason you are here today, and I just know why. You want to know more about the Neuro Energizer, right? So today I decided to pop over here, talk to you guys a little bit about what makes the Neuro Energizer so potent, so cool, and what exactly it is. You know, some people still have doubts regarding this program, but I'll tell you so much about it. So make sure you just sit back, relax, because there's so much for you to know about the Neuro Energizer. But before we move on, a little quick note, guys. If you want to get your hands on your very own Neuro Energizer, make sure you're purchasing it from their official webpage, okay? To help you guys out, I left their link right here below this video so you don't have to be wasting your times surfing the internet. And it's a click away. There's some great prices going on right now as we're speaking, and it also comes with a money-back guarantee should you need to use that. Now, anywho, Energizer, it is Energizer. Neuro Energizer is a digital audio program, and it was designed to enhance cognitive functions, and it's that simple. It's going to help you with things like focus, clarity, energy, memory, relaxation as well, and sleep, finally. All of that using binaural and isochronic sound frequencies. Now, the sessions, they range from 7 seconds to 30 minutes. So with the core, you know, it's also known as the 7-second neuro activation. It's tracked aimed at boosting mental sharpness that quickly. Did you know that if we get our brains listening to the right tones, the right binaural beats, it takes just like a few seconds for it to start focusing better, right? So Neuro Energizer, it uses cutting-edge audio technology, which is binaural and isochronic tones, to gently guide your brain waves into optimal states for more focus, better memory, more creativity as well, better energy, and so much sleep, especially if you are a person who is struggling with insomnia. Like, think of this, guys, as a gym session, but for your mind, like without the sweat or the struggle, you know? If you want to feel more productive during the day, if you need a natural way to improve your mental clarity and its sharpness, if you've tried sleep deeper and you wake up feeling like, you know, totally recharged, but that only happened for one day. So with the Neuro Energizer, this is actually going to be working every single day, you know, because this helps your brain to perform at its peak potential. All you're going to do is just press play, put on your headphones, and let the frequencies do the work. Neuro Energizer offers a safe, simple, and science-informed way to boost cognitive performance with no supplements or side effects. So its greatest asset is its convenience, you know? A few seconds a day or a few minutes a day can improve your mental clarity just like that. So it's really cool, guys, the way it works. However, it's not a silver bullet, okay? Consistency is key. So in short, this is like the most practical, time-effective, and affordable method to grow your brain like Einstein. And you do all of this without devoting your life to a violin or pricey gurus, you know? So think about it like that. You're going to be sleeping, you're going to be energized, you're going to be focusing better. Who knows? Maybe you're even going to get that job promotion, right? Anywho, thank you so much for watching. I hope I have helped you out. Pop over to this link to learn more about it. I'll see you all next time. Bye.